Hey baby girls, yes, today I'm playing Dress Empress and I don't know what the theme means, so I don't know, I'm just gonna do something, okay? I'm gonna pick this hair. I'm lagging so hard, like just so hard. Girlies, hopefully it's black. I'm getting the patty nails. Okay, Miss Girlies, okay. My hair is black. Okay. I'm just gonna wear this shirt, like, I don't know what to do. It's like a cute flower shirt. I know this is used for tattoos, but it's kind of cool for shirt. Only this face is something. Oh my god. Okay, I have big lips. Okay. I'm just making weird noises all of a sudden. Like, I don't know why. We have only 49 seconds. Okay, quickly gotta get a skirt. I'm lagging so hard right now. I'm gonna get a fishnet. I'm gonna get these. Oh my god. Okay. Is a farming server? Okay. Actually, this is not a farming server. We can only join the farming servers if we have Discord. Okay, someone said we all are having a pajama party. Okay, this is clear. I'll vote this is free. Actually, guys, sorry for not voting some players because, you know, baby girls, I want to win. I just want to win. Okay, it's me. Yeah, we are having a sleepover party and I slept on the floor. Wait, this is really cute. Why is she crying though? Shoe color and the face. So sorry. I'm gonna give you a 3. Okay. OMG. She used the Lana Curry dress. I don't like the red nails. And the blonde hair doesn't match the fit. So, yeah. Everything was perfect, but that. Okay. Actually, misunderstood to be perfect on my job. Okay, I don't like the hair and the face, so actually I'm gonna give it. Oh my god. Okay, I think she is late, so that's why she didn't get any. Yeah. But the shorts and the color of the hair, no. Sorry, I'm gonna leave it to 2 stars. Oh my god, no. So I didn't place. I got 6th place. I wasn't expecting that. And I got 22 stars. This girl got 31. Again, I want to see. I got $40. Like, what the hell? I'm not removing the baddie nails because, like, why not, girlies? Okay, guys, I'm into baby girls today because, you know, I love you all too much. And guys, don't think I'm gone crazy. I'm just feeling to say today because I'm a baddie. Okay, guys, I'm acting so weird today. No, we have to do the obby again. I think it's the pink. No. Cover of Vogue. What is rave? I vote for cover of Vogue. I'm voting for cover of Vogue. Yeah. So the theme is cover of Vogue. Okay. Sorry, music festival, but no one is voting for you. Cover of Vogue. Okay. So guys, actually, I'm gonna do custom. Okay. I'm gonna remove the baddie nails because I will have gloves. And yes, you definitely know which hair I'm getting. Which one? I am, of course, getting this hair for the theme. Like, this is the perfect one. What does the theme mean? Girlies, it's so easy. Girlies, anyone know this theme? Okay, I know we all are dumb. We don't know the meaning of Renaissance. Okay, whatever that is. That is fine, I guess. Now I'm gonna get the code techie use. Wait, which code was these two? Okay, I don't know. What happens if I get white lashes? What the hell? Okay, I looked like a grandpa. Okay, so toggle 4 is the best. But I'd rather go for the toggle 3. And yes, cover of a fashion magazines. And actually, that is true. That is the true meaning of the, the whole thing. I'm gonna get the code Lana Tutu and the code fashion. And yes, it's kind of looking bad, but I'm doing my best. Cause guys, I am just a fashion maven. expert or anything. I'd rather just do like this red. Cause like why not? It kind of looks like it. It's giving. We have to layer this. Cause like why not? At least like I should have VIP. Like because I really want the fan in there, like the fan is just right over there. Okay, why is everything a block? Okay, jeez. Okay, I should get the gloves. This color is fine now. And I'm getting these necklace. Turn it to black. I'm gonna speak like how French speaks. I'm gonna turn this to black. Okay. And now I will get these earrings. I'll turn them into golden. Like a girlies, why not? Okay guys, I'm gonna stop speaking like that. If I would be a trendsetter, I would definitely wear this dress for the team. I'm so not really that close to Runway Queen. It's like Runway Queen is like 3,000 stars. I'm not even 2,000 red. But I'm close. I'm close, okay? What did I just do? What the hell? I literally hate this thing. Except for the team Angels versus Devils. Guys, I know we all hate neon colors, but I have to do for this one because I saw this in a video. I don't really like this dress, but yeah, I think it's kind of cool. Dolly hasn't even moved yet. This was the same outfit from her last round. Like girlie, she came first again for voting. I'm just gonna say custom magazine. Yeah, I know, like someone noticed it too. Wait, that is really good, but the gloves with the, the warmers, it's not good. Good, I like it. Good. Girlies. Custom. Like, someone is literally saying I should have 5. Like, okay. Okay, it's kind of good. Wait, I forgot to vote. Where is my mic? Okay, it's really cute. I like the jewelry and the hair, but the flower with the boots isn't looking good, and the white isn't looking good either. So yeah, correctly. This person is so kind. Okay, Bratty. She's like, hey, this is me, Charlie XCX. She said so elegant. Girl, do you mean elegant? Just looking like, oh wow. Wait, I should have get these fluffy arm pieces. Okay, this is a 2 to 5 with the heel colors. I don't know why is everyone getting a flower. Okay, actually, what the hell? Maybe because it's kind of good, but the purple gloves and the layering, it's not really that good. But yeah, I like it. Okay, I like it. Oh my god, who the hell is this? This isn't even that good. Like, sorry for being mean though. It's a new model. Oh. I actually hate the fur jacket. Okay. Because you got the fur jacket. And the color of the purse. Girl is. How is she slay with the jacket? Okay. These girls actually deserved. I got 6th again. Like what? I tied with 7th. Sorry. Who got first place? Got 19. Okay. I was doing a post, so I wouldn't have to click on a post pack. Just to what do we say? Okay, me literally being stupid, not doing what to say. Yes, that is me. With these golden ticket. The golden ticket is my favorite. No. Okay, guys, I said my name as Restaurant Press because I'm obsessed with the Brat update. I think the apple has got to the curb. This team. I don't know what to do. Wait, should we do Jenny? Wait, let's do Lisa from Blackpink. Yes. Guys, sorry, I'm going so crazy right now because nobody would think of that. OMG. Girl, she's sitting on a dash. She a rock star, make your favorite single wanna rap. Baby la, Lisa, can you teach me Japanese? I say hi. Life, baby, I'm a rock star. Been on a mission, mother call me, catch and kill. I still in diamonds, make them chase me for the thrill. Been on my BKK, so pretty. Every city that I go's my city. Gold, she's sitting on a dash. She a rock star, make your favorite single wanna rap. Okay, guys, I sing horribly. Now I'll turn on the system sound. Yeah. So I think, guys, the system sound is on now. Yeah. Actually, nobody everyone wants to get the VIP. We can actually do that. Like the Lisa shirt, just do it cropped. Should we put a turtleneck on? I think we shouldn't. And then let's put this silver pattern. Yeah, it's here. But guys, OMG, I think no one would think of it. Mostly everyone would think of Ariana Grande or something, Olivia Rodrigo, Harry Styles, Taylor Swift. Well, me guessing a K-pop star. I think our outfit is done, but we need to add some accessories. And yes, I'm using these classical boots. Because like, why not? They just look so good. Should we add a belly chain? Lisa would look so good in a belly chain. I'm not farming. And yes, I would really like I really like this belly chain, but I would rather get this. Nah. These two are so kawaii. Lisa is not kawaii in this outfit, bruh. California girls were always unforgettable. Okay, Katy Perry is a really good singer, but she's not my favorite. And I really loved I think we should make the batty nails white. Or should we make it silver? Silver body nails or white? I think white is better. California girls were always unforgettable. Okay. Let's add a gold keychain. Okay, guys, I'm just going crazy right now because I think I'm gonna win this round. Like, cause why ain't? Okay, I'm just gonna silver and golden bracelet. Like that would look really cool. But I'd rather just put a color of gray, which isn't close. Wait, should we mix these belly chains? Should we mix these belly chains? And put this silver pattern. Wait, it's kind of looking good. What? It's kind of good. I think it's good. So we just add no boots. Everyone will see my toes, but yeah, it's okay. We can just put our nails onto white on the yes. California girl is unforgettable. Like, I'm obsessed with this song. Wait, what? Did she just do Ariana Grande? Because it looks like it. Yes, she just did Ariana Grande. I just know it. Someone's gonna do Taylor Swift or something. Why is she not putting another outfit? Like, girly! Carpet. Taylor, what the hell? Okay. Why is she forced on every single round for voting? Same fit again. Like, girlie, move! I think that's Sabrina Carpenter. Sabrina? Okay. Good. But I think she should have get the heart shirt and then like color it a second color. Lisa. I think I'm gonna win this round. Thank you very much, girlie. I'm gonna just put a pause so I wouldn't have to. Yeah. Wait, that is not. I actually literally copied. Okay, she literally copied my character, but I think everyone could think of that. What the heck? What the heck? It's kind of good, but the granny dress, okay. I'm just gonna leave it to one. I hate for jacket troll. Everyone sing with me. Why did she private chat with me? Girlies, I literally hate this. I literally hate these fur combos. I'm just... I don't know. No. Why is everyone doing Lisa? I thought no one would think of that. What? Someone's name is what? Ariana? Yeah, okay. I just knew I'm gonna place. Girlies, she got 5 stars at me. Why did everyone vote her 5? Guys, I should have placed first. Like girlies. Not me. She literally said I deserved. She deserved. Like girlies, she was so plain though. Oh, she did Taylor Swift. I'm stunned. Girly pop is following me. I just hate it. Oh, we're stuck. We are late to school. I just hate this team. No. I just hate this team. Yes, I just hate this team. Okay, so let's join again. But hopefully we don't get in the same server again. Because I don't wanna. I just don't wanna. I don't want to do that team. What is the team? Dancer? Seriously? The team is dancer? Bro, I don't know what to do. I could do dance with Deepthi. This is the final round I can do. Yeah, this is the final round I'm doing. So the theme is dancer. I just have an idea. Girlies. Charlie XCX. Right now. Just right now. Charlie XCX does the apple dance. And that is literally perfect. Like I just don't want to hear any noises. No rules. Get aside, girlie. People are waiting. What the heck? She's back. Come on, girl, get aside. Yeah. Okay, now she just like has a plain black shirt, right? And she has like cargos when she did the dance. Let's make her hair a bit more light. Yeah, they're a bit more bright. Yeah, she has like cargos. I don't know. Okay. Guys, I think I don't know what pattern to do. I saw one pattern in a video. I think I should do that. This one. This is too cool. Green. Wait guys, what happens if we take the apple button to the core? Okay, and we do the club jump. What the hell? But we don't need an apple, we have to do the dance on stage. It's so funny. Okay, wait, this is so cute. So cute. I did this before. This is actually really cute. They're talking about Srry 2, the horror movie. Draft. Okay. I live in India, Haryana, the states. So guys, I have an announcement that I'm gonna do a collab with Anya Akash, and I may say really thank you for sincerely Anya, or what do we say, Anya and Sarah fan count. Actually, I rather say I know her real name is not Anya, but let's call her sincerely Anya. So sincerely Anya, I may request you to change my name into Manat, because Sarah is my nickname, and I would really like if you change my name to Manat, but actually it's your choice. But I'm just like telling you, okay? You don't need to change it. So I really want to thank you sincerely, Anya, because she made an edit of me and it was clearly amazing. Clearly amazing. Charlie and Rachi the Purr and like okay, I didn't place. Okay, everyone is just Indian in here. Why did everyone get 8 stars? What the hell? Everyone got 8 stars and why am I last? At least give me 4. Must have. Guys, let's do the apple dance. I think the apple has brought to the court and the fit is okay. Okay, so guys, that is all for the video. Hopefully you liked the video, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you know when I post. Bye, baby girl.